I'm going to show you how to change your wiper blades. So to get your wiper blades in the upright position, what you want to do is put the key ignition, turn it to the first stop, don't actually turn the engine on. Then you want to do is turn it off, pull the keys out and then push the wiper stalk down, and that will get your wiper blades in the upright position. So once your wiper blades are in the up position, you can just pull them up like this, it's out of the way, and it's really easy. You can twist it there, you just pop that button and then you simply just pull them out. There's like a little clip there and it will just wiggle out. So once the wiper blade is off like this, be careful this piece of metal doesn't smash down and hit the glass. It is on a spring, so you want to make sure you're with it at all times. Maybe keep the new one on your bonnet. So once you get the new wiper blades, I'm just putting the old one back on, you simply just clip it in. It goes in a bit of an angle, it doesn't go straight in the top. It is a little bit of an angle and there's like some little grooves in there that it kind of slides into. So you want to start by pushing it a little bit further down instead of just going straight at the top. It's a little bit further down and it will just slide in once you get the position right. So you just go in a little bit and just wiggle it in. There you go, and it just clips in. And that is wiper blade, and then you can open the door and set them back down again. So once you're finished, you can simply put the wiper blades back down again. Thanks for watching.